Hi, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com. We just finished building this beautiful 350 Chevrolet 440 horsepower turnkey engine for our customer's 1983 C10 truck. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build here. We started with a late model 4-bolt main block, 1-piece rear main seal. We have a double roller timing chain in there, roller lifter camshaft, brand new timing cover, new balancer. Engine block is painted to black with the brass freeze plugs. Correct oil pan on there. AFR aluminum cylinder heads, American made. All the roller rocker arms are all adjusted and set. We have the real nice Taylor ignition wires in blue, made in USA. All the wire markers are on there. It's real nice fluted, polished valve covers with the 350 emblems. We have the polished intake manifold, correct thermostat housing, high flow thermostat, heavy duty Russell PCV hose and PCV valve in there. Holley 750 CFM carburetor, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket. It's real nice oval chrome air cleaner with a washable filter. We have the HEI distributor set in place, ready to go. We always install the correct automatic flex plate for the customer's transmission, proper tooth count and balance for the 350 Chevrolet here. High torque mini starter is aligned and all set. Chrome dipstick tube. We have the matching breather for the valve covers. Manifold vacuum fittings are installed for any vacuum hookups. We have the braided fuel line at the carburetor. Fuel pressure gauge is all set up. Muscle Car Series fuel pump. All the AN fittings, heavy duty Russell fuel line, all the loop clamps, inline gas filter going up to the carburetor. Real nice polished Wraptor pulley kit. We have the self-tensioning belt tensioner on there. Heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt. AC compressors on there. High flow reverse rotation aluminum water pump. 160 amp 1-wire hookup alternator. GM Saginaw power steering pump. Every engine at Engine Factory is live run for 45 minutes, fully tested. You're going to get a video of your engine running in a stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, the water temperature, oil pressure, cold and hot. We set the idle mixer screws to get the best manifold vacuum reading. We set the ignition timing with our timing light. We set the idle. We check for leaks. Everything is thoroughly gone over, so you know you'll have total confidence when you put this engine in. You know it's 100% perfect. So when you're ready to buy, give us a call, 908-323-5847. You can send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. We've been in business since 1969. It's a family-operated business here. So there you have it, our 350 Chevrolet 440 horsepower engine going into customer's 1983 C10 truck. Thanks for watching.